Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to disable chat notifications on WeChat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about WeChat topics. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat app. So I'm going to click on here to open my WeChat app. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply select a contact that you would like to move to your chat. So I'm going to simply select this particular contact right here. Then having selected the contact, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots on top, just like so. It takes you right here. Next thing you can do here is to simply enable this. So just turn this on. With that, each time this contact is chatting you, the notification is going to be disabled and everything will be silent. You can simply enjoy your chat with them and enjoy your phone sound. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to disable chat notification on WeChat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.